welcome back to my YouTube channel. People, Valentine's Day is coming. It is approaching, whether you realize it or not. It's coming! I have been with my boyfriend for nearly 6 years. And this Valentine's Day, I'm really struggling. I have absolutely no idea what to get him. I'm kind of panicked. So I've been thinking a lot about what I have gotten him in years past. Something that I did for him in the past that was very successful, like A1 successful, was I made him chocolate covered Oreos. After my success with making him chocolate covered Oreos, I started making chocolate covered Oreos for literally everything that I could have imagined making them for. I feel like I've perfected my methods to making them. So today, I'm going to show you how I make chocolate covered Oreos, and if you are struggling to figure out something to do for your Valentine this year, maybe you could do this for them. Or if you just want some chocolate covered Oreos to treat yourself, you can do this for yourself. Or you can literally make chocolate covered Oreos for any occasion, and they're very good. So without further ado, I'm going to drive to the store to get the ingredients, and I will see you once I'm home with the ingredients and ready to make some chocolate covered Oreos. Woo! No! Everyone, let's calm down, settle down. Thunder. Alright, so I'm back from the store. I have all the ingredients we are going to need in front of me, and I have all the supplies that we are going to need off to the side. Today, I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate covered Oreos and milk chocolate covered Oreos. You can do this with any kind of chocolate you want to, but these are the two fan favorites, I would say. Also in this video, I'm going to show you two different chocolate melting methods. One of the methods, we're going to use the microwave, and the other method, we are going to use the stovetop. So now, let's get started.
So the other supplies that were off to the side, I had 2 trays out, wax paper. Wax paper is really important because that is where you're going to put your Oreos as they are drying. You will need a glass cup of some sort that you can put into the microwave, and you will need a heat-resistant bowl with a pot for the stovetop, and also a fork.
So we are going to start with the white chocolate covered Oreos. We are going to do the microwave method for melting down the chocolate.
So I'm using the Ghirardelli classic white chips. I find that these are creamier rather than sweeter.
So I filled up the glass to 2 cups. This is a little bit more than half the bag. You don't want to do too many at one time or else they're not going to melt evenly.
So I microwave the chocolate in 30-second intervals, taking it out about every 15 seconds to stir it until it gets to a nice, smooth, creamy texture. Just be careful when you microwave the chocolate because chocolate can burn, and I've learned that the hard way. Be on high alert when you have your chocolate in the microwave.
So now that our chocolate is all melted, we are going to start by taking an Oreo. So what I do is I take the Oreo and put it on the fork, and I submerge the Oreo into the chocolate with the fork. There we go. And then I will take the Oreo out, and I'll kind of just to dab off a ton of excess chocolate. And then once it's to your liking, just put it down on the wax paper to dry.
Just like that. Just keep in mind that the chocolate will harden the longer it is out, so you do have to try to do it pretty quick. If the chocolate does start to harden, do not put it back in the microwave. It's just going to make everything worse. If you're planning on putting any kind of decorations on your Oreos, such as sprinkles or decorative pearls like I have, I would put them on while the Oreos are still wet so that they stick. If you're planning on putting icing or anything else like that on your Oreos, I would do it once they're a little more dry. Keep in mind, decorations are not essential in any way. They are just a nice, fun way to decorate your Oreos. They are honestly just as good, if not sometimes better, without the decorations. So do whatever you want and have fun.
So as the white chocolate Oreos are drying, we are going to start working on the milk chocolate Oreos, and we are going to be doing the stovetop melt method with these ones. Once again, I'm using about half the bag of chocolate chips. So now we're gonna put like an inch or 2 of water into here, and then we're gonna put that onto the stove. So now that you got some water in here, You're gonna test the bowl. You're gonna put the bowl on top and check to make sure that there's no water on the bottom, which there is not. Then you are going to set your stovetop to low to medium heat. So now we're going to put the bowl on the top and we're gonna stir the chocolate chips around.
I have found with the stovetop method that the chocolate comes out smoother in texture and it also stays heated for longer, which is very beneficial if it's your first time doing it. So now that you have seen both melting methods, I'm going to show you my finished chocolate covered Oreos.
That's it. That's how you make chocolate covered Oreos. I think chocolate covered Oreos are great gifts, great party desserts. They're just great. Get creative, have fun. If you have made it to the end of this video, I am super grateful for you and thank you. I would really appreciate if you give this video a like and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, night, and life. I will see you in the next one.